Rad America.
Our art has to be.
Piece of gang, you can't stop them niggas.
We got the bitches. We got the pistols. We got the Benellis. The 500.
We got HK-45s and all that, man. But most importantly, we got the bitches on our side, man. 20 million bitches with us, man.
T-Set.
For real. Don't get it confused, man. They all wearing Versace and shit, you know? Every girl that wears Hermes, you know what I'm saying? Every girl that rocks that Gucci. Every girl that got that shit going on, making that money, you a T-Set. Tesla gang, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. 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 Yeah.
This is a dream.
Check this shit. Check this shit.
This is a dream.
Check this shit. Hold up, hold up. California shit. Hold up, hold up, hold up.
Charlie, Holmes, that's so 1980s, eh? Charlie, we don't be wearing that shit no more. We wear baseball hats. And we wear those motherfuckers for a couple reasons. One, first and foremost, we wear them because they're fashionable.
Okay.
We look good in them.
Yeah.
The pelones, well, you know, they gotta hide that foco from the pinche jura. You know, and conspicuous.
Yo, we all together, man.
Luxury.
This is a new world and shit, you know?
Elegance.
Exclusiveness.
Exclusiveness.
It's crazy, man. Yo, it's about love though, you know? Let's really talk about it. Let's really be about it.
Prestige.
Let's be about this love and unity, you know? Yeah.
Exclusiveness.
About this style shit. Let's really be this vintage shit for real, man. Let's win this shit. Let's win this whole shit, you know? These niggas is weak, man. These niggas is weak. What? Yeah. What? Yeah. Rolling, selling, making money, getting everything that we wanna get, being cool, nigga, benefit, yeah, about my friendship, about my ends, bitch, about my chips too, yeah, I got bitches on me, yeah, got bitches on me, yeah, I'm about this weed, I'm about this meditation, I'm about this good stuff, yeah, I got this fresh on me, yeah, I got this fresh on me, yeah, bottles up, throwing on that Shirley, collars up, bottles up, throwing on that Shirley, collars up, bottles up, sparkles to the table, got him feeling like he's Merlin, throwing on that Shirley, about this third eye shit, about my mind being free, about this worldwide shit, yeah, I got this shit on me, yeah, I got this bitches with me, yeah, DMX shit, nigga, throwing on that Shirley, collars up, bottles up, throwing on that Shirley, I got this shit with me, yeah, sparkles to the table, got him feeling like he's Merlin, throwing on that Shirley, collars up, bottles up, 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 suffocation blue in the inside potato sack, yeah, talk money shit, I'm made of that, suffocation blue in the inside potato sack, yeah, talk money shit, I'm made of that, suffocation blue in the inside potato sack, yeah, we live this life, you know what I'm saying? Cocaine parties like the 70s, I cater that, cocaine parties like the 70s, I cater that, cocaine parties like the 70s, I cater that.